Hey everybody, it's pretty late here at the time of editing this. I wanted to keep consistent uploads and get something uploaded even though it's Sunday. I'm running out of footage to edit, so if this is something that you guys want to be a part of in the future, you can join through the Discord link below. Make sure you drop a comment of what you guys want to see next, drop some likes, show some support, make sure you're subscribed. I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you learned something through this.
If you can you look at UNH real quick, Tone?
You know what? Yesterday night, USD CAD respected that fib.
Real quick here, one of the students did ask about USD CAD. I did not keep that in the video. Instead, I made it into a YouTube short so you guys can go check that out. The analysis just wasn't long enough and there wasn't enough dialogue between us for me to keep it included in the video. What is this? What is this drop right here? February 21st, that's not earnings, is that? No, this is. What is this drop?
Was it not earnings?
No, earnings was all the way back here.
What day was it?
The 21st. It's Friday.
I don't know.
14% a day.
Whenever the market dropped hard, been taking big hits lately.
February 21st. When did the market drop? No, I mean the market's all the way up here. That is a big drop. 1.7. That's a large drop. But anyways, this kind of what I'd be looking at. Price is already rejecting right here. There's probably some type of zone that I should be developing. Oh wait, what happened with it?
There was an announcement that they were being investigated by the Department of Justice.
Oh. Yeah.
Obviously bearish just because of fundamentally, we'll say. This is beautiful structure coming up. Right here, high, retest. I would call this a drop, retest, drop, retest, drop, retest, drop, retest, breakthrough. After this break, so now I have a ton of confirmation here that this is a good level to look at. Right here, again, sideways range we'll call it. Up here, this is a retest of the initial fundamental point that dropped it. Retest back right here, breakthrough, and now we're currently at another retest of this zone. So anything in here is untradeable. This is my untradeable area. And
So the DNT means like untradeable, right? Like you just be patient at that point.
Yeah, DNT just means do not trade. That's all it is. I wouldn't even draw a bullish zone because that's catfishing, and I would just look towards the bottom. And in fact, I'd probably target. I don't want to target the lowest low, but maybe just right there, just like that. It is bearish. We have the strong momentum bearish. We have rejection here, confirmation. If you any pullback trader is going to use that and be like, oh, it's I know it's bearish now, right? Because they waited all this time to say something. And then I have this indicator here telling me everything's bearish. Again, this was bullish structure, but this was so strong bearish that we need to wait for something to reverse on it, right? Of course, the moment it retests the bearish starting point, we have another breakdown. We have a retest here. This would set up an amazing reward if it did drop back down here, especially because it
would be bearish if it doesn't what's it called, like break the support.
If it continued to be bearish, would it break the support?
No, like if it doesn't break the support. If
price just went like this and then like something like that, is that what you're saying?
Like it keeps testing like 846.
846, 486.
Yeah, 486.
So if price did like this,
yeah,
would it still be bearish? Yeah. And I would say because the most recent respect to his zone was a breakdown, right? So the most recent break was a breakdown. It wasn't a breakout. This right here, this bounce, you can call this bullish. And I'm going to say no, it's not, because in order for it to become bullish again, it has to go back to the point of disrespect. The most recent point of disrespect was the breakdown right here. So we would need to see price go up here before I would be like, oh yeah, it's not bearish anymore. But again, playing it super safe, technically this might trigger the start of a bullish trend. But in my eyes, I want to play it safe. I'm probably not going to enter until it's, up here. You like that? Are you in a trade on this? No, you're not. You're only in NVIDIA.
Yep.
I was
Is it-
also
Maybe
looking
tomorrow.
at this.
You were both looking at UNH?
Yeah.
What? So how'd you both look at UNH? I didn't even think about it. What am I missing here? You guys just have this on your mind?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe.
I sent it in the chat.
I mean, it was on my mind lately, not recently.
Will it really come to take that downside liquidity?
What's up? This? What about the downside liquidity? That's right here. What about it?
It has taken the daily liquidity, man, on daily time frame. It has reached the support level, right?
Yeah, we have the test right here.
So I don't think that it will go in down trade on 1 hour.
I mean, it might not. That's why we're only going to play it safe if it breaks down from the zone, right? Because obviously, if you really minimize everything, you just look at it like that, that's bullish. But the most recent respect to a zone was a breakdown. So I know bearish. Overall market, bearish. Fundamentally, because right here, bearish. Still playing it super safe because we don't want to be overly risky. We still need some form of breakdown. The next breakdown would be at this zone right here. If you go to the daily, like if somebody just said, hey, Tony, can you look at these candles? Yeah, that's bullish. I know everything else backing it is bearish. So maybe my zone right here doesn't hold. And maybe we see price go up and it goes right here. I still don't consider that bullish. And I know that the market technically wouldn't consider it bullish. And I know that the big institutions still wouldn't consider it bullish because of this. And last time we did visit here, I know that they still didn't consider it bullish because they dropped it immediately. So I would need price to completely go up here before I'm like, yeah, you know what? It is bullish now.
Okay.
So in fact, let's just do that for simplicity.
Yeah. So we just need to wait for breakout and retest, right?
I mean, I don't really care about retest, but sure, if that's something that your plan calls for, then yeah, wait for a retest. Breakout retest.
I simply wait for retest and another confirmation, right?
Yeah, sometimes I get overly optimistic, so I don't wait for a retest all the time, but I do know that it's always good. I know I took an Apple trade last week, I believe. I took 2 weeks ago, I took a bear spread. 1 week ago, I took a bull spread just because I liked, or what was it, 3 weeks ago, bear spread, 2 weeks ago, bull spread, because I thought price visiting up here meant it was going to break out back above here instead of new all-time high, which was false, right? Strong bears drop, little range, strong bullish momentum, and then it was completely rejected, and we haven't seen it turn around since. So I entered into long at the high. Nobody's perfect. And I was overly optimistic about it. And I had no confirmation for this either. This was just something I'm like, yeah, it's testing one of my zones. And if it breaks out, it's going to be one hell of a winner. But it's been one big loser. That's okay though.
Part of the game, bro.
Exactly.
And I want to know that currencies and commodities play the same technical analysis or not.
Do currencies and commodities play the same technicals? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. That is going to be the end of this video. Once again, I am running out of footage to edit, so if this is something you want to be a part of, just join through the Discord link below. Thank you guys again.